Open the trunk to gain access.
Remove the cover by prying it off. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Disconnect the wire by pulling it out. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Reconnect the bulb housing. Make sure that any wires that have become disconnected are replaced.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise. Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back in place.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.